Let's start off with our brownie batter, and here I have 1/2 cup of flour, and to that I'm adding 3/4 of a cup of Dutch processed cocoa powder and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. I'm going to stir this to combine it and put it over to the side. In this bowl I have 10 tablespoons of still hot melted butter, and to that I am adding 1/2 of a cup of brown sugar along with 3/4 of a cup of white sugar. And I'm going to mix this for about a minute. Then I'm going to scrape the sides and the bottom, add in 2 eggs, and 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla. Ooh, okay, 2. We're going to mix this for 1 more minute. And now I'm going to stir in my dry ingredients. We don't want to use the mixer at this point because we don't want to end up with tough brownies, and you can activate that gluten. Set the brownie batter over to the side, and we're going to make our cheesecake. So in here I have 8 ounces of cream cheese, and to that I am adding 1 cup of pumpkin puree, along with 1/2 of a cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice. And mix it up. And now we're going to layer into our pan, starting with the brownie mixture. So I'm putting a little bit more than half of the brownie mixture into the bottom, and I'm going to spread that around. Next, I'm going to add on that pumpkin and cream cheese mixture. And by the way, this is an 8x8 brownie pan, and I put coconut oil on the inside to keep the brownies from sticking. Then I'm going to spread this out, and then some of the brownie batter on top. And as you're putting it down, kind of put it around like it's already spread a little bit. It'll be a lot easier to spread it. And then we're going to spread this. You can kind of try to make it look pretty too, a little swirly. And we're going to put these in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until a toothpick inserted comes out mostly clean. Let your brownies cool down at room temperature for a little while, and then go ahead and put them in the fridge until the cheesecake part sets up. This is going to take at least 5 or 6 hours, and overnight is even better. Thank you so much for watching, and happy cooking, everyone.